Well, hello guys, Timothy Thomas here. Want to record a quick video, guys. A lot of you have been asking about mailing lists that we're using, what mailing list directory we're using, and what direct mail leads, email leads that we're using, guys, for these postcard programs, the Millionaire Mailer, postcard cash machines, or any of our direct mail programs, what leads we're using. Guys, I'm going to go over a quick list of priority things that we need to look at far as when looking for a direct mail list and what it takes to be successful mailing your pieces from home. Now, guys, the direct mail list that I'm using is Wilson's List. Folks, I'm using Wilson's List and I'm using data marketing. I'm using Wilson's List probably about 85% of the time and data marketing a little bit of the time. Now, Wilson's List, guys, has been around for years. I've been in mail order for over 12, 13 years, and I know absolutely what works. Folks, Wilson List, people can say what they will. I have become a very successful marketer utilizing Wilson's List. And they got a guarantee that they will, if you have a Nixie, meaning that if somebody's moved, somebody changed address, and it comes back to your mailbox, folks, they're going to refund you, I believe, up to 50 some cent. And we'll look at it. I believe it's increased from there. But they will refund you guys the price of the postage, and that is incredible. So we're excited about that. Want to go over Wilson's List, guys, and what you're going to get when you become a part of the Wilson's List, when you become a buyer of the Wilson's List. Guys, we have direct mail leads, we have email leads, testimonials, order form. Direct mail marketing leads are leads of people that are actively seeking money-making opportunities to help them increase their incomes, and eager prospects that are wanting you to show you their offer, to show you your offer. They want to see what you got to sell. They want to know what program you're involved with. Your offers usually pay off when, folks, you put it in front of super hungry buyers. These are responsive opportunity seekers, and they're willing, guys, to pay good money if your program makes sense. They're willing to get involved with you if your offer is compelling. And folks, this is a top-notch hotline of leads at unbeatable prices. So we're excited to have Wilson's List. Let's go look at the direct mail leads here from Wilson's List. The people on the direct mail list are a combination of buyers and inquiries that have responded to a wide variety of money-making and business opportunities. Folks, they have replied to a direct mail promotion, and they have responded to a way to increase their income. Every name and address is a qualified lead and is a person that has shown a strong interest or desire to pursue money-making opportunities from their home. And many of them have spent money on these programs. These are ideal prospects, folks. Wilson's List provide ideal prospects, and they are willing to partner with you in the programs that will cause your mailbox to fill with cash. And that's what we all want. We want more cash in our mailbox than bills. We want money orders, checks, things that's going to make us successful in life. Folks, list brokers often offer direct mail response leads, such as $150 per 1,000 names. The minimum order is usually 5,000, but not Wilson List. Folks, you can order a minimum of 200, and you can give them a try without putting a big investment in it. Guys, these leads are a maximum of 30 days old. Very powerful. Folks, the mail list is computer maintained. It's updated on a daily basis to ensure you of the latest leads for your direct mail offers. And folks, Wilson's List stand behind with a cash guarantee in business. See the order form for details. These names are available by random zip code, sorted zip code, your choice, and they come on pill and stick labels at no extra cost. Folks, most of the marketing, it is vital that you have a good list for the success of your business. And guys, a lot of repeat orders. Wilson's List gets a lot of repeat orders. We're going to go to the testimonial page in just a minute, and we're going to see what people are saying about Wilson's List and how they feel about it. Folks, I am so impressed with Wilson's List. I just ordered their LPM Associates. Also, that's the same thing as Wilson's List. I just ordered a bunch of names from Wilsonlist. I paid $192. Well worth it, guys. I'll make that money back 10 times over marketing these programs utilizing Wilson's List. So guys, they get 30,000 new names each and every month, and they are tracked by number so that when you're marketing an offer, the same people are not getting the same list of people to be marketed to. Folks, that's powerful. We're going to go to the testimonial page. This is the testimonial page of what people are saying about Wilson's List. Wilson's List has received some of the following comments from these customers. Recently, we ordered 500 names. 30 days later, we received over 100 replies. Absolutely no nixes. I've never experienced such high rate. This is coming from Michael in, I believe, West Virginia. Or Wisconsin, the WI there, guys. I always thought that you get what you pay for. I ordered 200 names, and I ordered 1,000 names from an expensive list company. Guess what? I got more response from the 200 names than I did from the 1,000 list company. Folks, that's powerful. We have always received an excellent response to our mailing list. Our response has skyrocketed, where our latest mailing been over 8%. Folks, anything over 1.5% in direct mail is outstanding. This is coming from Fred in Baltimore, Maryland. Thank you for your prompt response or your request for 5,000 names. This is my 4th order. I compliment you on the quality of these names. This comes from Don in Suffolk, South Dakota. Here's another testimony. The last time I used your mailing list, I received 6% response. I thought that that was great. I highly recommend your list. It says your names are great. I've been mailing, getting a 15% response. Thank you. And that comes from Sandra Scott up in Detroit, Michigan. Here's another testimonial. I have tried some very expensive lists with no response, but your list always draws every time. Here's another testimonial, guys. I purchased mailing list from various dealers, low as $20, as high as $100 per 1,000. Inevitably, I got back loads of nixes. So they got back loads of nixes and 0 responses. Then I discovered your list, which are reasonably priced, yet produce response averaging 6% of more. This comes from William in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Consistently good names for the price. Shirley up in New York, guys. That is powerful testimonials. At your leisure, go back, reread these testimonials. There's a couple names, guys, a couple of words I didn't pronounce correctly, but you get the gist of what we're saying. These lists work. They are absolutely powerful. They can grow your business, whether you're in direct mail, whether you're in postcards, flyers, or whatever you're marketing, email leads. If you need leads, period, guys, they have targeted names. You can pick the category that you want to order the leads for. Let's go to direct mail leads. All right, we went there with the testimonials. Let's go down to the order form. When you click on here, guys, it's going to take you to an order form. Looks like this. You can pay using a debit or a credit card. You can get direct mail leads, or you can get email leads. Direct mail leads, folks, these are people that are in direct mail. They are opportunity seekers. They have recently requested information on money making and business opportunities by mail. These direct mail marketing leads are a maximum of 30 days old. Guys, this is a resource. This is a tool, guys, that you can utilize, whether you're in whatever program, name it, put it in. If it's a direct mail program, if it is a flyer program, these leads can and will work for you, and you remain consistent and you can see results. Folks, I am a testimonial for Wilson's List. They have worked repeatedly for me. I just didn't, guys, go out and mail 50 letters and expect the money to fly out my mailbox, but I did it over and over and over and over again, and I am successful, been able to comfortably produce thousands per week in mail order in programs utilizing this list. Powerful. Here's the guarantee, guys. A 100% guarantee. You are 100% guaranteed to get a hot, fresh mailing list. These names you understand, you will receive a 60-cent. Here we go, guys. A 60-cent, unheard of, refund for each undeliverable piece of mail. Folks, that is absolutely a game changer. If you get a Nixie, if you get a letter that was not delivered to the recipient that was placed on the letter, you will get a 60-cent refund. Guys, that's exciting. Here are the prices, guys. You can get 200 names for $28, 500 for $48. You can get 1,000 for $68, 2,000 for $120, 5,000 for $240. I just ordered 5,000, 10,000 for $384, and 20,000 for $640. You can get 30,000 names for $880. Guys, I usually order around 30,000 names at a time. I usually click, guys, onto this dial here. I get pressurized pill and stick labels so that when I get them, I can tear them off and put them on the envelope, put them on the postcard, boom, 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 and we're off to the races. Guys, I usually check random zip codes, unsorted, so I can get people all over the country involved. And if I need email leads, guys, I can get email leads. These are people, individuals that respond to a wide variety of money-making business opportunity by email. They have responded to promotions, dealing with such how to increase their income, and MLM, money-making opportunities, network marketing, etc., etc. Make money online. These people have responded by email. And these are the email leads, guys. Here you go. These leads are delivered by email. Standard text file will be attached for list number 2, number 3. The fields record are comma separated. The exciting thing about this, when you order these email leads, you're going to get, with any order of email leads that is 5,000 or more leads, here's the bonus, you're going to get your fully functional express mail server software, which turns your computer into a bulk email and it completely bypasses the IPS mail server. It delivers emails directly to your computer inbox of the recipient. Your leads are going to be sent directly to their inbox of the leads that you order. It verifies every email address before sending. This industrial strength program can send out more than 10,000 emails per hour with any internet connection, and has the many powerful features. Simply import your emails into this program, create your meshes, and let it run, guys. So that is exciting. They're going to send you the software. The software is 32-bit Windows compatible. We include actual leads on all order placed on email leads. So, guys, you can order your leads right here. When you order 5,000 or more email leads, guys, you're going to get that bulk server for absolutely free. Express server that is going to turn your computer into a emailing machine. Guys, that's how we're getting signups in these programs. And you can always email the company if you have questions about the bulk email server. Come down here, put your name, address, your credit card information, and you click checkout. Guys, Wilsonlist is where it's at. They are direct mail marketing professionals since 1985, folks. They have been around supplying needs for all of our direct mail marketing friends. And you can come down here, guys, and click, do your order, and be off to the races. Guys, get started. When you order one time, I believe you'll go back and you do it over and over and over and over again. Utilize Wilsonlist, and guys, over time, you can win big if you just put it to action. Nothing happens until we take action. Guys, if you're interested in Wilsonlist, the link will be below the video. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and we'll go from there. Folks, if you enjoyed the video, give it a smash that thumbs up button. Give it a big thumbs up. And I appreciate you watching. I'm honored to have you view these videos. Bye for now. Until the next video. And oh, guys, I'm going to try to upload another video today or tomorrow, maybe later on today, if not today, tomorrow, I've got something huge I want to share with you. Something huge is coming. Stay tuned.